Are you guys all done with finals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I have 3 more.
Oh, it's me again. It's me again.
My
Are you serious?
Emily, let me explain. So 2 of the people here aren't in college.
I'm done by like 2.5
and
years.
the other 2
Oh.
people here are in semester system.
Oh, okay, so that was a dumb question.
Yeah, a little bit.
No.
There are no such thing as dumb questions, only really dumb questions.
Oh,
not
Sanjay's an
lower.
admin.
I know, I saw him kill you. Sanjay's an admin, by the way. Hey, Sanjay.
Oh.
Alright, bye. Shane, you good?
Yeah.
What is that time?
What's up, Shane? It's cool that you're
How are
in
you still in
cafeteria
there
now.
at that time?
Because I have to wait.
Oh,
for
you
the-
just stand still. Oh my god.
Hi,
Sanjay's
Jack.
right outside of admin.
Jack and Medbay.
No, I'm not.
Are you
Oh,
kidding
Shane, you
me?
really got me on that.
Bro, I have 3 freaking tasks in admin again.
Why would you tell him that?
I don't know.
We can't win if all he has to do is just stand there.
I mean,
I'm not gonna camp. That's so lame.
Sanjay is
he
literally
says
right
camping
now.
in admin.
Only a loser would camp in admin
Did get you there.
and win.
Shane, you're so lame, dude. That was the lamest thing I've ever heard.
And win.
Sanjay, I'm right behind you. Oh.
Oh!
Jack,
Trevor,
I
you
don't-
saw that, right?
Yeah.
It was so.
Sanjay wasn't near admin. He's near admin. He's also.
Sanjay, how'd you
Oh
know
my
he was
God.
in there?
Yeah, dude. What?
That was
The moment Jack
so
got off the
funny.
wires. Oh!
Oh, I had to clip that.